Let me show you how to transfer your students from Teachable to Kajabi. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so first thing you want to do is make sure that you have your Teachable open and you've got Kajabi open. I'm just going to pop into our Teachable account. We started off with Teachable, and then we soon realized we needed a course online platform, something that was a little bit more robust. So that's why we switched over to Kajabi. So with this whole project here, what I'm doing is we're going to be closing down Teachable and we're going to be transferring the students from our Teachable to Kajabi. Now, what I've done prior to filming this video is I took the course that we offer in Teachable and I recreated it in Kajabi. So that same course is on there with the same lectures and everything, but essentially I'm just duplicating the course from Teachable to Kajabi. So let me show you how to do the transfer. First, you want to go to your course in Teachable, and let's say it's this one right here. Click into it, and then from here you want to scroll down and then go to Students, and then from here you want to click Export CSV. Basically, this is going to export all of the information and your students. Their name and email is basically what you're going to be needing. It's going to go into like an Excel spreadsheet type file, and that's what you're going to import into Kajabi. So click Export. It's going to send you an email with something looking like this. You then want to click Download CSV. Once you download your CSV and you open it, you're going to see something that looks like this. Now it's going to look really crazy and there's like a lot of stuff in there, but that's okay. Most of it you won't be using, and I'll show you what I mean. So once you've got that CSV file from Teachable, you now want to go to your Kajabi and you want to head over to Contacts and then go to All Contacts. From here, you want to click on Add Contacts and you want to go Import CSV. There's two options here. You can upload the file yourself or copy and paste from the file. I prefer to just upload the file. And then from here, you just want to select the file. This is the one that you just downloaded from Teachable from your email. Okay, once you've got it loaded up, click Continue to Upload. Now they're going to have all this stuff here, and it says, for mine, 21 unrecognized columns. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and categorize or delete these columns. For this one, user ID, I don't need that. That's from Teachable. So I'm going to click on this little icon here and I'm going to click skip column because we don't need that. It's going to say this column will be skipped during the import. Any data from this column will not be imported into Kajabi. And that's correct. I don't need that because that was a user ID generated by Teachable. So I won't need that in Kajabi. So I'm going to click confirm. And so now I'm just going to go through all of these and I'll first get rid of the ones that I don't need at all, like last login, joined, course count. There's lots of these that I don't actually need. So I'm just going to go through and do that real quick. So I've gone through and I've skipped most of them. But now we've got one here that says full name. So I'm going to click on it. Now from here, when you click on existing field, which it'll already be on, and you click this down arrow, it's going to give you a list of a bunch of things. So that says it's their name, right? So I'm just going to choose first name and then I'm going to click confirm. Then that one's done. Delivery address, I'm going to click on this icon again and I'm going to go to address. Click confirm, and so you can see we're down to 4 now, and this here, this is the city, so I'm going to click that again and I'll go to city, click confirm, and this one we can actually skip because it already got the country, so I'm going to click on that, click skip column and confirm. Once you've done that, you can click continue to import actions. From here, it's going to ask you, how do you want to import your contacts? This is the one that I typically do is grant offers and subscribe to marketing emails. So for this example, I'm going to click grant offers. And this basically means you're giving them access to the course. Now remember in the very beginning, what I said was I wanted to take students from our Teachable because we're getting rid of Teachable and transfer them over to Kajabi. So from here, you would go ahead and select the course that you created and basically duplicated from Teachable. All right, so I've clicked one and then click continue to summary. You can also click subscribe to marketing emails. Click continue to summary. And then from here, this is just summarizing everything. There's going to be 73 contacts. It's going to be 7 columns from the Excel spreadsheet. They will be granted one offer, which basically means access to that course. That's the whole reason why I'm doing this transfer. And then when you're done all that, you can click confirm import. After that happens, it's going to enroll everyone into that course that I wanted. Everyone should be getting an email that they've been enrolled into this course. And that's it. That's how you transfer students from Teachable to your Kajabi courses. If you found this video helpful, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. And if you want to know how our YouTube channel makes over 5 figures a month by creating simple tutorials like this, head down to the description below as I have a free training video for you that explains how we all do this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.